In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and use free images from Pixabay for your design projects in Canva. It's a straightforward process that enhances your creative workflow while providing you with the high-quality visuals you need. Let's dive right in. First, we're starting with Pixabay, a fantastic platform filled with a wealth of free-to-use images. Head over to the Pixabay website. Once you're there, you'll notice the search bar front and center. It's where all the magic begins. If you're looking for a specific image, simply type in what you're interested in. For our purpose today, I'll demonstrate by searching for a rabbit. Once you type in rabbit, hit enter, and you'll be greeted with a variety of options featuring our furry friends. Now, as you're browsing through the images, you'll want to pick one that best fits your vision or design needs. Once you locate the perfect rabbit image, click on it to view the image details. Pixabay offers several download options in different resolutions. Choose the resolution that suits your project's needs. Then, click Download and save the image to your device. It's incredibly convenient and ensures you have access to stunning, high-quality images in just a few clicks. Once you have your image downloaded, the next step is to bring it into Canva, an intuitive design platform where your creativity can shine. If you haven't done so already, log into your Canva account. Look at the menu on the home page. You'll see an option labeled Apps. Click on it to reveal the available integrations within Canva. Type Pixabay into the search field within the Apps section. Once you locate the Pixabay integration, click on it. This integration makes it easier to bring new images right into Canva without additional downloads. Through this handy feature, you can search for images directly within Canva, just like on the Pixabay website. With the integration open, it's time to search for your desired image again. Just as before, type in rabbit to find images of our theme. You'll likely notice a similar selection of options, making it a seamless transition from the website to the Canva interface. When you've found the image that you wish to work with, simply click on it to bring it right into your Canva workspace. Now you're all set to use this image in your next design project. The integration between Pixabay and Canva makes it straightforward and efficient, saving you both time and effort while expanding the creative resources at your disposal. Enjoy the freedom to experiment with these images and use them to enhance your creativity and design capabilities. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps streamline your design process. Happy designing!